Yeah, Dipayan, the casting on YouTube has started, and recording has also. Yeah, I've also started the recording. Right, done, done, done.
Okay, so just wait for only 2 minutes, and after that we will start. So first of all, I want to ask you guys that do you have a GitHub account? So you just have to go to this GitHub link at first. I'm just pinning this link. Okay. Just go to the Android Studio and open the Android Studio and just go to this link, GitHub link. Okay. In this GitHub link, you will have to change the branch to starter. Okay. After clicking the starter branch, just press in this code button. After pressing this code button, just download the zip file. Okay, so just download the zip file and we will start uh, in just 1 minute. Let everyone join. Download the zip file. Okay, after downloading, just click this zip file. Right click on this and just extract to this folder. Okay, after extracting this folder, we will have this files of this application. Okay, so just do that and just start today's session. So yesterday, Debarun has taught you that how the data class works or how the classes works, object works. So that was the theory part. And today we will be implementing this theory part into a practical application. Okay. So let's build an application with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin. Those who don't know what is Kotlin, so Kotlin is the official programming language to build Android applications recommended by Google. Okay, and Jetpack Compose is a framework for building beautiful app UIs with the help of Kotlin programming language. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So what you will build today? So today is the part 2 of the day 3. So today we will build an affirmation app. Okay. So when uh, you will feel that you need motivation. Okay. So if you need motivation, then you just read the affirmations or any quotes, right? So we will just build an application where the affirmations will display in a list. Okay, so today we will learn how to create a material design card using Jetpack Compose and how to create a scrollable list using Jetpack Compose. So as you can see here that here is the card. Inside the card, we have a column. Inside the column, we have an image and text. Okay, so this is the affirmation card will be look like, and this is the list. If you scroll down, the list will go and go. Okay, so this is the application we are going to build today. So the main part of today's chapter is the scrollable list view. So scrollable list is the very important topic in the Jetpack Compose. For To create the list of these affirmations, you will need this scrollable list. Okay, so now just look into what you will need. So you just need to be familiar with the lists in Kotlin. So yesterday we have seen that how lists works, how the classes works, how the data classes works in Kotlin, and you just need to familiar with these lists. And second one, you need to experience building layouts with Jetpack Compose. If you don't have any experience before, uh, I will say that you will not to be worry about, because I will cover out all this thing. And the third one is this experience running apps on a device or emulator. Okay, so if you don't have any experience, so don't worry, I will cover this up today. Okay, so you can continue watching this session. So I hope everyone have your GitHub account. If you don't have any GitHub account, then just create this GitHub account, and uh, I have given a link in the chat section. I have given this chat section this link. Just go to this link and just click the branch section and choose the starter. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so after choosing the starter branch, you just need to download this code. You can download this zip file, or one thing you can do, that is copy this link and then go to the Android Studio, then click on this VCS option, then just here you will get some option to clone your GitHub repo. Okay, because this is not connected to my GitHub, this option is not showing. But uh, if I move around with this uh, window, I will get the option of Git. Okay, now if you are having this issue, uh, just copy this link and just go to the Git, and after that GitHub, sorry, go to the Git and just clone. Okay, so after that, just put the URL here and this and select this directory. Okay, so after that, just click on the clone. Then the app will be cloned in this section. Okay, so I already have the clone here, the starter app. Okay, so after downloading and opening this folder, you just have to navigate to this app, then source, then main, then Java. After that, you will find this file called mainactivity.kt. Okay, so this is the main file of creating this application. Uh, you just need to open this file. Okay, so this is the first step. And this is the first step. Okay, so anybody have any doubt, then You can write in the chat section or turn on your mic to ask me your doubts. If you don't have any doubt, then I will move to the next part. Okay, so I think there is no doubt. So I'm just closing this window and just opening my starter app. Okay, so now uh, we are going to build a card, a affirmation card that will look like this. So this is our first target to achieve. So inside this card, you can see that here is an image, and after that we have a text. Okay, so for to create this card, you just need to go to main activity.kt. Okay, so after that you just have to click on the uh, just here affirmations. Okay, so just right click in this affirmations, and after that, okay, so there is no such package file here. Just check. Mm, mm, Example affirmations data UI. Okay, so just right click this, and here the option should be there, but it is not showing. Mm, so I'm just uh, re downloading this thing, okay, because this is not connected to my GitHub, so that's the issue. Just I am just doing the same thing again. I'm just downloading my GitHub repo again. Just clone this GitHub, clone, then paste this link, then create a new folder called starter app 2. Now I have a folder called starter app 2. Inside this folder, I want to clone this GitHub repo. Okay, just wait for a while, and I want to open this project in this window. So just wait for loading time here. Anybody, if you don't have Android Studio, you can download it from Chrome. Like you just need to write in the Google that download Android Studio. So after clicking this link, you will be downloading this Android Studio application if you don't have. So this is still loading. Just click on this kit, then lock, and just click on the starter, and then right click on this and just click checkout. By clicking on this starter branch will open in your Android Studio. Okay, so check out new branch starter. Okay, so it is now loading, and here you can see this all the progress here. Okay, now just go to the Java folder, and here the com.example.affirmations has came. Okay, so this was the main activity.kt file. Okay, and this is the com.example.affirmations. Just right click on this, and after that just click on the new. Now you can see that here is a lot of options. Okay, now just click on this package. After clicking on this package, you just need to write here model, model, and when I will click this enter button, the folder will be creating on this in this area. Okay, just enter, and the model package has been created. Okay, just do that, and after clicking on this model, just right click and again new, and then Kotlin class file. Okay, so now you just have to name it affirmation, and I will be defining this class file as data class. So I am selecting data class. After doing this, you just have to enter. Okay. So as of now, I don't want to add this on my GitHub repo. So I am just ignoring this. Okay. So now you can see the data class called affirmation has been created. Okay. So each affirmation consists of one image and one string. So now just create two val properties in the affirmation data class. So one should be the string resource ID. So just create a val, then string resource ID, and this will be a integer. And after that, we will have image resource ID. Just write image resource, and this is also an integer. Okay, so now you just have to write string res annotation here. Just write string res annotation, string res. So what is this string res? So string res annotation and this. Okay, so this is calling something error. Okay, string res R will be capital, and just click Alt Enter. Okay, now it is fixed. So what is string resource? So string resource is the ID that will be representing the string that is text in this list. Okay, uh, and the image will be drawable res, because this will return a drawable thing. Just click Alt Enter to fix this error, and here you can go. Okay. So now just open the data resource.kt. Just navigate to the data folder, and after that double click on the data source. Okay. Now you just have to uncomment this. Just remove this star slash, and this will be uncommented, and this is this uh, strings and the drawable images. Okay, so I just have imported these strings and drawable images into this. Okay, so to be specific, this is the id number one that will be replicating in this string res value and this drawable value. Okay, so I hope there is no doubt. And after that, this is a thing that I want to explain, that what is this load affirmations. So the load affirmation method gathers all of the data provided in the starter code, that is this. Okay, and return as a list. You will use this later to build scrollable list. Okay, so uh, for for this you just need to okay, so it is done, almost done. No need to import anything. One thing I think need to be import. No, it is fine. So so next is add a list to your app. So to create a list, you just need to need to create a card. Okay, so before moving on to this, uh, the first step is configuring the UI to display a list is to create a list item. Each affirmation item consists of an image and a string. As you can see here, this card contains an image and a text composable. In Compose, a card is a surface that displays content and actions in a single container. Okay, so just navigate to this Android Studio, and now go to this composable function. So this is the composable function, and this is the affirmation app. Okay, so now just create a new composable function. Just write fun. That means this is a function. After that, name this function as affirmation card. And to declare this function is a composable function, you just need to annotate composable. Okay, so now this function is composable. The composable, the C need to be capital. Okay, so now the error has gone. So now just uh, you need to write here the affirmation is affirmation, that is the default value of this affirmation function. Okay, so now just another modifier is modifier equal to default modifier. So this is the default modifier. I'm just writing here. So now this is done. So we have created the affirmation card, and now inside the affirmation card method, call the card composable. Okay, so now to call the card composable, you just need to write card. This C will be capital, and just write card. So as you can see, the first option is cart. Just click on this and just write modifier equal to modifier dot padding, because we want some padding surround of this UI. I need just 8 dp. Okay, and I also want the elevation also. So for that the app will look more modern. Okay, elevation equal to 4.dp, let's suppose. Now the card is ready, and inside the card you just have to initiate a column, because inside a column you just need to declare the image and text. Okay, so now let's add an image composable inside this column. Okay, so to declare the image, just write image modifier. For image you just need the painter and the content description parameter. Okay, so the painter will be what? Painter equal to painter resource id. Painter resource id, and the id will come from where? The id will come from the affirmation data class. Okay, the affirmation data class, and the image resource id will be image resource id. Okay, uh, that's done, and after that you need another thing, that is content description. Content description. Description equal to string resource affirmation dot affirmation dot string resource id. So as you can see, here is an error, that is image is not importing. Just write again that image painter resource id, and the string resource you just need to be specific the R capital. So now the error has been done, and now you just need to uh, okay, this is done, this is done. Now you just need to add the modifier also. Mm, because the image need to be width fully of the screen, and the height should be not the full. So to specify this dimensions, you just need to add a modifier dot. If we need to set the width full of this screen, you just need to write fill max width. Okay, now the image will display full of this screen. Okay, and let's specify the height. The height, I want to just random height, just check 194.dp. And the next thing you need the content scale. Content scale is content scale dot crop. Okay, so this is done. Anybody have any question? Okay, so you don't have any questions. Okay, so we have created this image, and now you just need to add the text. If I write just preview here, let's see if the preview works or not. Preview. Just check whether this is working or not. I think there is an error. Hmm, let's move this here. Preview. Now it should work. Just build and refresh. Zoom out some. So let it build. For image is done, and now just add the text. So to declare text, you just need text, obviously. The text will be string resource affirmation dot string resource affirmation dot string resource id. Okay, after that just write modifier equal to modifier dot I want some padding outside of the text. So for that, I am applying 16.dp padding, comma, and let's declare some styling here. Style will be material theme, not this material theme dot type dot h6. Material theme, I think this spelling is right. Material theme. Hmm, the spelling is wrong. Now it should work. Alt plus enter. Okay, so it is fixed. Now go to, is there any error? 60. Okay, text will be okay. So just build and refresh. Let's see whether this is working or not. Let it build. Okay, it is the build has been done. So now just preview the affirmation card inside the composable function. So for that, you just need to add a preview here, and I'm just removing this preview and creating another composable function. Now this composable function will be private. Okay, private fun. Private fun will be affirmation card preview. Okay, so affirmation card preview has been done. Mm, Inside this method, just call the affirmation card composable. Okay, just call this affirmation card, and the affirmation will be r dot string dot affirmation one. Okay, affirmation one, and this image will be r dot drawable dot image. Okay, the r is capital, image one. Okay, so just let this build and refresh. Let it build, and after that we should see the affirmation card here. Okay, so the build has been done and the affirmation card is here. So as you can see, we have uh, created a card, and inside the card we have an image and have an text. Okay, so basically we are doing that we are uh, importing this data in this main app and displaying it in a card, that is affirmation card. Okay, so this is the whole thing. So if you have any question, then just ask in the chat or just turn on your mic. Just check the code. I am giving you 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will be starting again with this callable list view, where we will build an application with multiple cards like this. Just look into the code. If you have any question, then just ask. Should I start the next part? Should I start the next part? Okay, so now just create the affirmation list. So the list item components is the building block of the list. Once the list item is created, you can leverage it to make the list component itself. So now just create a method called affirmation list and annotate it with the composable annotation and declare a list of affirmation object as the parameter in the method signature. So inside the main activity.kt, just add a composable function and create a private function called affirmation list. Affirmation list will be a list of affirmations. Okay, and another thing is just add a modifier that is modifier equal to modifier. Okay, so now just uh, okay, so now just add a lazy column. So in Jetpack Compose, a scrollable list can be made using lazy column composable. Lazy column. It's lazy. Hmm, lazy column. This is Okay. So the difference between the lazy column and a column is that a column should be used when you have a small number of items to display. As Compose loads them all at once, a column can only hold a predefined or fixed number of composables. A lazy column can add content on demand, which makes it good for long lists. So it is a good practice to use lazy columns in yeah, uh, if your app has some lists or rows or columns. Okay, so inside this lazy column, just add the items of affirmation list. Import. Okay, affirmation list done, and now just write affirmation affirmation card and affirmation. Okay, so now let's display the list in the lambda. Call the affirmation list composable. Just move to the affirmation app, and here you just need to write scaffold scaffold. This will be capital. Okay, and inside the scaffold just declare the content equal to affirmation list, where the affirmation list will be data source uh, dot load affirmations. Okay, it is done. Now just build and refresh. Okay, so just write here the preview, and okay, so now just remove this preview from here. Now just click on the build and refresh. So now just build this application. If you have any doubt, then just ask. So let it build. The list of affirmations should be displayed in this preview section. Just wait. Okay, so as you can see, the list of affirmations is here. Okay, so now if you just want to install this app inside your device or emulator, you just need to connect your device. Okay, so as of now I have connected my emulator, that is Pixel 5. So I'm just selecting this Pixel 5 and just running on the emulator. Wait to load the emulator and the app will get installed inside my emulator. So just wait, and I will be displaying the app. Then as you can see, the Gradle build is running. So let it build the application and it will open inside my emulator. Physical through your data cable or in Wi-Fi and your device supports wireless debugging, then just you can just pair with your Wi-Fi, like paired devices using Wi-Fi. Okay, you can select multiple devices also, and if you want to Pixel 5, just go to the device manager and download this emulator. Not a big deal. Okay, so the app is now launching. So as you can see, this app has been loaded, and if I just scroll this list, then you will be able to see the affirmations with images and texts. Okay, so this is the scrollable list view we have created with Jetpack Compose. Okay, so you just have completed an application with Jetpack Compose. Okay, so if you want to download this application, just follow the steps. uh, you can also go to the GitHub link pinned in the chat section and just download the source code. And whenever you want motivation, you can open this app and just get motivated. Okay, so this was the thing, and if you have any doubt, then just write in the chat section, or you can turn on your mic and say your doubt. If you have any doubt, just ask. Anybody have any doubt? Okay, so I don't think there is any doubt. So now let's just go to the next section, that is change the app icon. Okay, so let's start this new topic, that is change this app icon. Okay, so before you begin, an app icon is an important way to differentiate your app by adding a distinct style and appearance. The app icon appears in a number of places, including the home screen and the all app screen and settings app also. You may also hear an app icon referred to as a launcher icon. So here you can see many apps are there in the app drawer here, and every app has different icons. Okay, so if you have used different Android devices, you may have noticed that the launcher experience may look different depending on the device manufacturer. Okay, so they may display all the app icons in circle, squirrel, rounded or square. Okay, so regardless of the shape the device manufacturer chooses, the goal is for all the app icons on a single device to have a uniform shape for a consistent user experience. So that's why the Android platform introduced support for adaptive icons. By implementing an adaptive icon for your app is able to accommodate a large range of devices by the launcher icon based on device's display. Okay, so now just look into our app. So the app icon of our app is just, so our app name is starter app. So sorry, our app name is affirmation app, this, right? So our app has this logo. So if you want to change this logo, so what you have to do? So if you just navigate to this folder called drawable, that is here, drawable. So here you can see the app icon is here. This is the app icon. Okay, and this is the app icon. Okay, this is the app icon. If you want to change this app icon, then what you have to do? You need to replace these icons with some another icons. Okay, so to do that, you just need to go to this link. I am providing this link, that is, I'm just copying this and pasting in the chat section. Go to this link and just click and just right click on this space, then click save as, and just download this. Okay, download this file. You can rename this file name as bgicon.xml as I done. Okay, so I am not downloading this file, and another foreground is here. The foreground, uh, you just have to download this also. This is the foreground. Okay, so this is the foreground. You can also save this as foreground icon.xml or this name also, that doesn't matter. Okay, so just download these xml files. After that, just go to the resource manager. Okay, so now you will be able to view this IC launcher foreground. Okay, so we want to change this foreground. So for that, just go to project and delete all these files. Okay, just delete all this file. So I am just deleting. Okay, so you just have to navigate to race. Inside the app you will find the race, and after that you will find the MIP map, and you just have to delete this folder. Click OK. It will take, and it will get deleted. Just wait for deleting these 89 files and just click delete anyway. Okay, and after that delete this folder also, that is IC launcher round. Click OK and delete anyway. Okay, so now just go to the resource manager, then uh, click on the plus button. uh, if you have downloaded this XML files, then only just delete these files. Okay, and one thing you just have to delete, that is drawable. Just go to drawable, and after that you will find IC launcher background. Just delete this folder, not the folder, delete these files, dot XML files. Okay, shift delete and delete this also, that is the foreground. Okay, resource manager, and here you will not be able to see the app icon. So now just click on the plus button and just click image asset. After that the configure image asset window will open here. Just tap the foreground layer and just select this uh, file that you have downloaded. So I have downloaded the foreground as in the downloads. So just navigate to downloads, and okay, so this is the fg icon.xml, that is my foreground. Okay, and just go to the background layer. Now just navigate to the downloads folder. Inside the downloads folder I have saved this file as bgicon.xml, and now you can see the changes. And now after choosing this icons, click on next. Here you can see this file will be creating in various sizes and densities. Okay, these are the images, and this will be creating. Okay, so after doing this, just click on finish. After that you will be able to view the new app icon here. Okay, so now you just have to rebuild the application. So to rebuild this application you just need to run app again. So I'm just clicking the run app, and the Gradle build is running again. And just look into this application. The icon of this application will change with this icon. Okay, so let's just wait and watch. Just terminate this. You can turn off this preview section also, so that this will be get faster. Okay, the installing is done, and the app is launching, I think. Okay, so the app icon has been changed. Okay, So if I just go to the app drawer, and here you can see the app icon has been changed. Okay, so this was the uh, thing that you can change this the app icons with this method. Okay, so anybody have any doubt, then just write down in the chat section or turn on your mic to ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubt? As you can see, the app icon has been changed. Okay, I think there is no doubt. I don't want to push this GitHub. I am asking again. If you have any doubt, then just ask. Otherwise, okay, I think there is no doubt. So if you want to share me the GitHub repo again, the GitHub repo is, I think this is pinned. Yeah, this is the GitHub repo. You can download from this. And yeah, I think there is no doubt, right? Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, so let's finish today's session. So in today's session, we just learned how to create scrollable lists and how to change the app icon. Okay, so the procedure is same with many applications. So if you are building any application, so you can follow the same method. Okay, so for today, just finish the session, and the next part of the session will continuing tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is the day 4 and the last day of the Jetpack Compose camp. Okay, so let's finish today's session, and we will start day 4 tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you.